In this video, I will talk about how to download Terraform and how to configure it on Windows machine. In order to download this Terraform, you need to go to this particular site, terraform.io/downloads.html. And you will see that the current latest version of Terraform is shown right now is 0.14.0. Now, depending on your operating system, you have to decide the appropriate package. And you will see Terraform can be installed on various operating systems, Mac OS, FreeBSD, Linux, OpenBSD, and so on. So currently I am on Windows, so I will just go ahead and download the Windows version. So again, you will see 32-bit version is available as well as 64-bit. So let me select 64-bit, and I'm just going to save the zip file. And the zip file gets downloaded. It's around approximately 33 megabytes of file. And if I go to my downloads folder, I will just go inside the downloads folder, and this is the zip file. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to create one more folder in this E:, and then I'm going to unzip this file into that particular folder. So let me create one folder. So new folder, my folder is Terraform. Alright, so I created this Terraform folder, and I will go back to my downloads folder, and I'm going to unzip my file into Terraform folder. So I go to browse, Terraform, I select this folder. And if I go inside this particular folder now, you will see one executable file is there. And typically Terraform is used using command line interface. So let me first go to my command line, and let's see whether Terraform is working properly or not. So I go to cd terraform, and if I look at my list of files, there is terraform.executable. So let me check the Terraform version, and you will see this Terraform version is showing version 0.14.0. In order to use this Terraform from any other folder on my Windows machine, I need to set the appropriate path variables. Because if I go to my C:, and if I executed this command again, then the Terraform is not recognized. Now this is because the path is not updated with my Terraform installation. So let me go to my environment variables. So I'm going to edit my system environment variables. Go to my system variables, go to my path, I say edit, and I will see list of all the environment variables. I'm going to add one more, and I say E:/Terraform. I say OK. That's all. And I need to verify this, so I'm just going to open another command prompt, and I'm just going to execute Terraform ---- version, and I will see that I can access my Terraform from any other folder. So this means your path is configured correctly. If you are new to Terraform, then obviously you would like to understand how to use various commands. In order to get some help, you can execute Terraform --help. So we'll see a list of commands over here. And initially, we are going to use these main commands. So main commands are init, validate, plan, apply, and destroy. And once you are familiar with these main commands, then you can execute various other commands, which are kind of for more advanced use cases. And that's all for this video, and I will see you in the next video.